What's up, guys? My name's Cody with the Boathouse at Cape Coral. We're out here today on the Caloosahatchee, and I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite features on this 2026 Sportsman 352 Open. Coming to the transom here on the 352 Sportsman, a couple of my favorite features include the twin 30-gallon aquarium-style live wells, coupled with this large fold-down seat, which is a perfect mix between fishing and family. One of the most notable features you'll find on the 352 Sportsman and a lot of their other models are the dual port and starboard entry doors. Whether you're reeling in the big cats or you don't want to have to worry about docking on the port or starboard side, the dual entry doors really make boating easy. At the bow of the 352 Sportsman, one of my favorite features is this bow actuated table. And what this allows, when it's flush, you get your standard U-style seating. You bring it up about halfway, you get a sunbed or a casting platform, or as you see it right now, your traditional style table. On the front of the console on this 352, you'll notice a large lounger built for two. You have built-in cup holders, and if you're tall like I am, the front of the console extends out, allowing for more legroom. At the helm of the 352, the first thing you notice is actually how wide it is, allowing you for triple helm seating, dual 22-inch Garmin's, AC, built-in phone chargers, and what Sportsman's done for is their integrated D-tubing on the outside of their consoles. Stepping down into the console of the 352 Sportsman, you're going to be met with a large and spacious enclosed head and berth. The berth features 6 feet of headroom and is capable of holding 2 adults and 1 child. With a length of 35 feet 2 inches and a beam of 11.2, the 352 Sportsman is one of the widest boats in its class. With the triple 400 Mercury V10s, we're seeing speeds of 70 plus miles an hour with a comfortable cruising speed of 45, only burning 1.3 miles per gallon, which is absolutely incredible for a 35-foot center console. Once again, guys, my name's Cody with the Boathouse here in Cape Coral. If you like this kind of content, please let us know. Show us love on YouTube at Boathouse H2O. We hope to see you on the next one.